Hey guys, I'm Chelsea Aaron of Aaron Kelly Salons, and I'm going to show you how to wash your topper. Now, the reason I'm doing it and not Kelly is because I'm not a stylist. I handle all the business side of our salon, all the marketing, all of that stuff. I'm also a huge tomboy, really athletic. I don't do hair. So if I can do it, you can do it. First things first, you want all of the clips closed. So these are already closed, but close all of the clips. Now, you can do this at your kitchen sink. That's where I would do it if I was home, but a sprayer is really helpful. So kitchen sink, sprayer is a good idea. You want lukewarm water, not hot. Don't be using that hot water, okay? You can go cold if it's hard to find the lukewarm, but get you some cold water going. And now you want to go in the direction of the hair, okay? Spray it, get it good and wet. You want to use shampoo that is made for your topper. So either made for human hair, alternative hair, or made for synthetic, or made for HD synthetic. We have lots of great products in the salon, and I will link some of our favorites in the description below. So we're gonna do a little shampoo. I have no idea if I just used too much. Kelly's standing in front of me behind the camera, and she will tell me later if I use too much. But she's not giving me a nod right now, so I think we're okay. So go in the direction of the hair. You don't want to be in there like you would maybe your normal hair in the shower where you kind of get in there with your nails. Don't do that. You can just gently get at the base because this is all hand tied in there. So you don't want anything to loosen up those knots. Just kind of comb it through. All right, should be good. All right, now we're gonna rinse it out. Cold or lukewarm water. Now we're just rinsing. Next step, we're gonna wring out some of the water and we're gonna put a mask on it. So wring that out and you can just lay it on the side of your sink. Actually, you can't tell that, but I didn't even kind of rinse out that shampoo. So I'm gonna rinse this out. Okay, I think we're good and rinsed finally. Now we're gonna squeeze out some water. All right. I'm gonna lay it flat on like your sink, side of the sink, whatever works, and grab our mask. Again, using something that is made for alternative hair. We're gonna take some, and for this, I want you to start at the ends of the topper. Don't start at the base, again, because we don't want anything to loosen up those knots. And you can lightly put some on the top, but start at the base and just really get in there. I accidentally said that you're gonna start at the base, but I actually did it right. I just said it wrong. So don't start at the base, start at the ends. I'm gonna take a comb just so we can make sure it's all in there. I'm assuming that's what you use the comb for, is to make sure it's all in there, but honestly, I don't know. So, but that seems right, doesn't it? I think so. We got our mask. Now we're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes and then we'll come back and rinse it. Okay, so we let that mask sit. So now we're gonna rinse it out. Again, going the direction of the hair. All right, so that is good. Wring it out. Now we're gonna use a little conditioner. I think it's easier for me to put it on my hands. Kelly gets over here and she like directly just, you know, like she's putting ketchup on a plate or something, I don't know. And don't forget to start at the ends. Just gently putting that through. Now you can let the conditioner sit for 5 minutes. So we'll let that sit and then we'll rinse it out. Okay, it's been sitting there for 5 minutes, so now it's time to rinse. I just want you to know that you can't see, but there's water everywhere, all over the chair here. Okay, so that's good and rinsed. Now we're gonna squeeze some water out, get a towel, give it a good little towel squeeze. And now what you want to do is to gently comb through it. And if you have a canvas head, put it on the canvas head. And if you part your hair a certain way, you want to go ahead and part it while it's wet. And then we recommend letting it air dry overnight. It's just better for it, I'm assuming. Yes, she's nodding yes. That's better for it. So let it air dry, and then we're gonna do a video next up about how to blow dry and how to style. We'll see you next time.